Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 856 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, CleanSpark has acquired a miner purchase order and is partnering with TMG Core. Mawson has reported a record month for Bitcoin mining, and Blockchain Intelligence Group has announced the launch of NFT Explorer. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so CleanSpark Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker CLSK, has acquired an existing purchase contract for 1,800 Antminer S19 XP units, which once fully deployed are expected to add over 252 petahash per second to the firm's Bitcoin mining capacity. CleanSpark has also partnered with TMG Core Inc., which is described in the press release as a global leader in the development, commercialization, and deployment of high-performance computing solutions, which includes ASIC mining applications, to expand its immersion-cooled infrastructure for sustainable mining. J.D. Enright, Sr., the CEO of TMG Core, commented, quote, "We are thrilled to partner with CleanSpark, one of the largest Bitcoin mining companies, and a company that is demonstrating its leadership in sustainable Bitcoin mining by procuring TMG Core's HPC immersion cooling solutions. Our immersion solutions use up to 77% less water and are up to 4,000 times more efficient than traditional air cooling. Our expertise in thermal science directly translates into engineering commercial-grade solutions, which will provide CleanSpark a unique advantage in sustainably mining Bitcoin." End quote. Mawson Infrastructure Group, Inc., which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker MIGI, has reported a record month of self-mined Bitcoin for the month of May 2022. The company produced 185 Bitcoins in the month, an increase of 362% from May 2021, and currently boasts approximately 40,000 deployed ASIC Bitcoin miners at its facilities across its self-mining and hosting co-location businesses. The company's founder and CEO James Manning said, quote, "May was another solid month of operational growth, with the Mawson team having now rapidly deployed more than 56 megawatts over the last 3 months. We have now received our final shipment of ASIC Bitcoin miners for our self-mining business, meaning we have the flexibility to assess the spot market for future orders when appropriate." End quote. Blockchain Intelligence Group, or BIG, a subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker BIGG, has announced the launch of NFT Explorer. This is described as the first risk and investigation solution for NFTs and is built on the company's Clue data analytics platform. Clue there is rendered QLUE. Lance Morgan, the president of Blockchain Intelligence Group, explained, quote, "We're excited to launch a true innovation in blockchain analytics. The NFT Explorer positions Blockchain Intelligence Group as an ideal blockchain solution partner for law enforcement, finance, and crypto. With the increasing number of scams and hacks impacting the adoption of NFTs, it's critical that blockchain investigators, as well as traditional financial institutions, can track them effectively to mitigate risk. We're proud to be the first blockchain analytics company to provide a solution specifically created to track NFTs and support further adoption." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.